Welcome everybody, this is Jpipes out here, Danville, Illinois. There's a blizzard going on out here. As you can see, the winds picked up. You look along the side here, winds have picked up. I'm right in front of my house, right off of Voorhees and more. As you can see, the Kia Soul has been underground. If you can see, it's really hard to see. So wind is picked up. Danville, Illinois. I'd like to say hi to everybody in Houston, everybody in Florida, enjoying the weather. Look at my feet. Right now, I'd like to thank the people that brought me this dinner. I'm sure gonna enjoy this taco right here. I got a nice set of tacos. Chill right here and eat me a taco with this blizzard going on. Throw some lemon juice on here. Oh, boy, that wind has picked up. It's just blowing me fast. But I'm gonna enjoy one of these tacos. See the guacamole on there? Real good. It's just beautiful out here. Wind's picking up again. Hard. This is Jpipes. Make sure you tune in to 217 Entertainment. We'll see y'all later. Where's my NOS? Don't forget, NOS energy drink. NOS energy drink. Get that, it helps.